Welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through the process of changing the camera settings in Yandex Browser. Whether you have multiple cameras connected or want to switch to a preferred one, this tutorial will help you adjust your browser settings easily. Let's get started. First, open the Yandex Browser on your device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the browser window. Then select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Websites on the left-hand side of the settings page. Now scroll down and select Advanced Site Settings. Then continue scrolling until you find the option labeled Access Your Camera. Step 7. Click on the list under this option. Finally, choose the camera you want to use from the available options. That's it. You have successfully changed the camera in Yandex Browser. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tech guides.